Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is about R sound in British English, and simultaneously I will show you what is rhotic and what is non-rhotic English. And so don't waste time and let's come and begin this. Before that, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe this to get more videos. Firstly guys, if you are Indians, then don't miss this slide. Here is what kind of English do Indians speak. Firstly, actually Indian English is a distinct dialect of English. Secondly, in theory, Indian English speakers follow British English. Remember this. In theory, Indian English speakers follow British English because this is specified in the Oxford or Longman English dictionaries. But in practice, Indians use many words and phrases that don't exist in British or American English. So if you are Indian, then don't forget this because you are following the British English. So in British English, where R sound is pronounced strongly and where not, just know it very clearly. Actually, linguists have divided the accents and dialects into two parts. These are, first one is rhotic English and next one is non-rhotic English. Now I will discuss these two one by one, and I think it will help you to understand very easily about rhotic English and non-rhotic English. Firstly, we will know what is rhotic English. Actually, when people pronounce R sound very strongly, this is called rhotic English. It includes few UK countries. These are Scotland, Ireland, South West England, etc. So these countries people pronounce R very strongly. Let's have few examples. So just pronounce with me: rose, rose, red, red, work, work, never, never, father, father, mother, mother, word, word, etc. So listen carefully. What is rhotic English? When people pronounce R very strongly in words, at that time this is called rhotic English. And which countries people speak it? Just UK countries people like Scotland, Ireland and South West England and etc. Now we will know what is non-rhotic English. Before that, just know it. British English is called non-rhotic English. And what is non-rhotic English? When people most of the time don't pronounce R in the words. At that time, this is called non-rhotic English. So this is clear from here that British people don't pronounce R sound in the word, but few times they pronounce. So where they pronounce and where they don't pronounce, we will know it very clearly in our next slide. Before a vowel. Actually, when R is used before a vowel letter, British people pronounce it. Now I will show you few examples that is related with this definition. So let's see. Here are few examples. Red, rose. Look at here. In these examples, R is used before vowel letter. So here British people pronounce like this: red, rose, strong, Ireland, etc. So sum up of this is that when R will be used before any vowel letter, at that time British people pronounce it very strongly. Now before consonant. When R is used before consonant, they don't pronounce here. British people don't pronounce R when it is used before consonant letter. Let's have few examples. Look at here. In these examples, R is used before consonant letter. So here British people don't pronounce R. They pronounce like walk, word, board, etc. at the end of word. When are is used at the end of word, they don't pronounce here. Actually, when are is used at the end of any word, at that time British people don't pronounce are. Let's have few examples. Look at here. In these examples, are is used just at the end of word. So British people pronounce these word like father, mother, never. Here they don't pronounce are, because here are is used at the end of word.